So nakadak na yung barko. Ito yung pier ng Dominican Republic. 5:45 na pero madilim pa. So walang katao-tao kasi alas 7 kasi yung disembarkation. So ito yung pier. Alas 5:45 ng umaga. Tsaka ito yon madilim pa dito sa Caribbean ng alas 5. Advance sila ng 1 hour sa New York time. Yan, maaliwalas naman yung kalangitan. Yung makikita mo pa yung mga bituin, mga stars. Tsaka ito yung buwan. Ayan, yan ang buwan. Tsaka ito na yung buwan dito. Pier. Tsaka tingnan natin kung makikita nyo. Tsaka ito yung dulo ng barko. Ayan. So nakatali na siya doon. Naka-anchor na siya. Diyan. Yan yung pinakadulo ng barko. So hintay na lang tayo ng alas 7. Close pa yung gate. Close pa nila yung gate. Wala pang katao-tao para walang makapasok na bisita. At saka mamaya ready na yung mga pass dyan para sa excursion. So yan ang nasa labas ng pier ng Dominican Republic. So alas 6 open na din yung kitchen or dining hall para almusal. So ito na yung unahan ng barko. Yan makikita niyo yung malaking bilog at saka yung flag, pinalitan na ng flag ng Dominican Republic. So meaning nandito na tayo sa Dominican Republic. At saka yan yun yung mga ilaw dito. 5:45 na pero madilim pa pala dito. Ito yung mga inaistambayan natin dito. Yan ang may mga tao na yan, may mga service na dyan. Tingnan natin sa taas nyo. Okay, yan yung kadak na tayo pero madilim pa, hindi pa pinalabas yung mga pasahero. Ayan. Okay, mag breakfast muna tayo 6 o'clock then 7 alisan na or labasan na, tsaka may mga excursion tayo mamaya. Yun lang. So naka-dock na tayo. Alas 8 ng umaga. So ito na yung Dominican Republic. Ito yung barko natin. So yan kalaki. Norwegian Star. Yan. So ito na mga turista na nakalabas dito. Yan. Ito. Yan. So may excursion tayo. So ikot natin. Ito yung pier nila ng Dominican Republic. So ito yan. Maganda naman. Hindi magulo. So hanap tayo ng sasakyan natin. So ito na yung Cabo Dominican Republic. Ito yung barko natin na sinasakyan. Ferris wheel doon, may announcement.
Oh yeah.
Wala tayong beach. No beach. You gonna get some towel? Ito tayo. And then this is the cruise ship natin. Ito bago ito. Pang-apat ko na, Norwegian Star. mamaya kuha na natin ang maganda. Ayan. Morning. Okay. So, ito. Ayan. Alright. So, ito yung kuha natin, no? Barko Norwegian Star. Bago to, nasakyan namin. Norwegian Star. So, this is the pier of Cabo Rojo, Dominican Republic. So, this is the place. It's a nice one. It's organized. It looks like a private place. Yeah. So they have like a gate here. No drone not allowed. This is a port just built for Norwegian. And then they have a nice cactus. Still 8 o'clock but it's still like dark a little bit. Madilim pa konti. Pero maganda naman dito. Yan. Cabo Rojo. Ayan. Ito yung Cabo Rojo Public. Dami na pa picture dyan. Sa ang ganda yung mga cactus dito. Ang ganda. Yan. Sana hindi tayo ayun. May mga tricycle dito. Tricycle doon. Ganda naman itong mga pan dito. Mga ganda. Kaso may copyright tayo sa gilang. Palitan na lang natin dito. Hanap tayo natin yung we can take video. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, we're our friend. Yay, hola, hola. All right. Cabo Rojo.
I'm trying to read upside down. Oh yeah, the Pilipinas gonna be this line right here.
Right here? This one? Ganda pa dito. Last minute tour. So ito lahat ng mga tours dito. Ganda dito. So, yan. So yung Cabo Rojo. So sana makuha natin ito lahat.
Good morning.
Okay. So lahat dito mga tours nandito lahat. Yan. Yan. Ang ganda din dito. Bars and restaurant. Bago yata ito nagawa nila. Oh. Bago. Para lang sa mga cruise. Cruise lang dito. Lahat na dito mga cruise. Ganda.
Baby beach.
So, iba't ibang mga cruise. Ganda. Yan, ganda oh. Ito yung kuha namin. Cruise ship. Ganda yung pagkatanim nila. Landscape, maganda pa ang landscape. We have a friend from Dos. Uno, dos. Yeah, dos.
What is man? Man.
Hablan español
Ah,
los dos.
poquito.
Muy bien.
Mucho trabajo, poquito dinero. May kaibigan tayo dito na Hispanic dito. But you speak English, right?
I speak English.
Espanyol. So ito yung pier nila ng Cabo Rojo, Dominican Republic. Ganda naman dito. So, yan. Ito yung barko natin. So, diyan siya nakadock. Yan. Ito yung terminal dito. Yan. May isa pa doon, oh. Gusto ko kunan yung ganda yan. Yan, oh. Ganda. Tingnan natin. So, daming turista. Ito yung nakakuan dyan, nakahintay ng mga turista. So, lahat yan naghihintay ng tour. 8:30 yata. Dito naman yung kuan nila dito. Yan. Dami pa tak dyan. Yan. Ganda din dito. Yan mo yan. Video truck. Cabo Rojo. Yan. Okay, our friends here. You dance. See, our friend here from Dominican Republic. Yeah. See.
This is the person of dances.
Right. Yay! Yay! Our friend from you see, yung mga ladies for. Yeah. Yo, itong mga Dominican Republic nito. Ito yung duty free dito. Ito na yung pinaka sentro dito. Yan. Mga tours. Yan. The water. Yan. Mga bulaklak nila dito. Ito naman dito yung mga garden sa kabila. Yan. Ganda. Yung safari pala yun. Ito yung barko natin. Yan.
Oh, glad to meet you here.
Oh, wow. Your lost friend, huh?
Where are you going? Which one you going to?
Ito yung mga circus pala dito.
Oh, hell no, that's work. I'm going to Southern Beach and Rich.
Oh, okay. We'll be back.
Spend the fast.
Mga kwan dito.
So bright shiny today.
Dami lang mga kwan. Tingnan natin hindi tayo may Ferris wheel pa dito. pasyalan dito. Very sweet. Yung tour natin. Yeah, see it again.
Morning, morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Moulin Rouge.
Thanks. Dami lang music. Para tayo maiwasan yung copyright. Ganda. Dito na tayo. Ito yung mga shuttle natin ngayon. So, dito na sa naghintay yung mga tour bus. Ito. So, ito na yung Cabo Rojo, Dominican Republic. This is beach. Kaya sa walking distance. Well, we have a tour. Baby Beach. So here the Baby Beach. Yung mga pulis nila dito.
Pero es complicado. Entre los dos vehículos vamos juntos, son 30. Este lleva 9 y aquel lleva 21.
Pulis nila.
Felipito.
Yep. Get
I
some.
think I'm gonna need this.
Yeah, you know.
I hope not.
No, I won't need this. Even a bigger bus, I can just go. But sometimes I want to be kind of easier. Take it
See
easy,
itong
you know.
mga buhay.
Today it's gonna be very good.
Yung mga taxi dito.
Morning.
Morning!
How are you?
Good, good.
Good.
Excited.
Welcome to Port Cabo Rojo. And welcome to the Dominican Republic. And you are more than welcome to be here with us today.
Yeah, so yung mga natin.
We know that here in Cabo Rojo, there are many beautiful places that you can go and visit and explore. But today you are here with us, so thank you very much. We really appreciate that. So now we are on our way to Ojo de Pelepito, here in Natural Wonder. But I want to ask a question. When you're back, Ojo de Pelepito, what were you thinking about? I mean, like, what is your expectation for today? Huh? Birds. Pájaros. Birds. What else?
Adventure. Adventure.
Adventure.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Monday?
Mountains.
Oh, mountains. Mountains. Cool. Well, let me tell you this. You will be able to see nothing. But at the same time, a lot. So since it is early in the morning, we may be missing bird. Maybe bird.
Where?
B. No, bears.
Bears. White bear, white bear.
Sorry.
Sounded like bears. So I
Yes, bears.
We got bears. we don't have water like that, so we are safe. Okay?
Dominican
no boys
beach.
and animals around. Maybe little snake.
Oh, no.
But since we are gonna be around 2,000 feet above sea level,
Oh.
snake grow very little because it's gonna be freezing there. Now for you, it's gonna be like air conditioning, right? So to me, it's gonna be crazy. Even more at the time of the year. So, like early in the morning, you can see them sometime. Like we got the Hispaniola hurricane, we got the Carncrow, Pumpchat. So there are many that you can see butterfly early in the morning. Since the day is going on, and they come down to the Jarago National Park where we are right now, and then at nighttime they go up. So, but yeah, you're gonna be able to see a lot because the natural around, beautiful places, pine forest zone around. It's gonna be interesting. But let me tell you what today is gonna look like for you today. So travel time is gonna be around 1 hour and a half or 1 hour 20 minutes driving. So maybe it might be long, but it's not. Because we're gonna be talking, right? You gonna feel it. When our time is over there, it's over, then we will head back to the boat. And if we have time, hopefully yes, on our way back, we will stop Las Mercedes if we have time, so that you get to see, you get to take a better look of the both sides of mine. Okay?
Yeah.
Here, you see the building, so that's a bridge. It's gonna be a bridge. Now we got one. You see that little one, very native. So they make it this big one, and that is going to connect the city of Pedernales, or the province of Pedernales, with all the province around the Dominican Republic. So right now we are in Cabo Rojo, and because of that, the port is called Port Cabo Rojo. Normally we name places by the location that they are at. Like there is being built an international airport.
Wow.
Guess what the name is gonna be? So the cow
Oh,
just go
yeah.
by around eating.
At the center.
Good morning.
And you know why cows are like that? Female. Why? Because, so in Spanish it makes sense, right? They do that because the husbands are bull. So bull in Spanish means toro, which means is somebody strong or try to be the man. I am the man here, I am the alpha. So that's why you see.
May kwan dito.
So the both side is the mineral, but it's being used. That is used to have the aluminium. So if you do aluminium, you need the both side. Now, the both side is creating iron, and it is what this give this land the color. Right? This striking red color, this red tone to the land is because of the both side. So back to the 60s, the both sides